Next to oxymercuration, demercuration. Oxymercuration and demercuration. Demercuration. So oxymercuration, demercuration mean, so the simple reaction you can take. So unsymmetric alkene, for example, if you take, the reagent is mercuric acetate with water in the first step, and in the second step sodium borohydride. This is a reducing agent. The product is Markovnikov water addition. Okay, now water addition, alcohol is the product. So this total reagent work is addition of water according to Markovnikov's rule. So here OH will be attacked from the more hindered side, otherwise less number of hydrogens containing pi bonded carbon. So H plus will be at ending. Okay na? So if you see mechanism for this, CH3 CH double bond CH2. Okay, mercuric acetate CO C double bond O CH3 O C double bond O CH3. So it will be attacked. Here one of the group eliminate. So here cyclization takes place. 3-membered unstable intermediate is formed. Okay, this is HO C double bond O CH3. This group is removed. This group is acetate ion is removed, and one more is present. Okay na? So it is having place charge. Okay. So in the next step, from the water OH minus, ion attack in the middle, at the middle carbons, because here positive charge stable than here. So here positive charge generate and it will be attacked simultaneously. Now we will get CH3 CH OH and CH2, and here bond breakage takes place. Hg O C double bond O CH3. In the final step, use sodium borohydride, which is the reducing agent. It can be provided H minus. That H minus will be attacked here. Now it will be eliminate. Okay na? So from this H minus will be attacked. It will be eliminate. The product will get the final product. Will get this. Okay na? So this part is again removed. So from H will be attacked now here. So this is the mechanism for hydroboration and oxidation. Hydroboration and demercuration. Demercuration mean oxymercuration mean addition of mercuration. Then after removal of mercuration, this is the demercuration. Okay, this is very very important. So in this mechanism, the no rearrangements are forming because there is no carbocation is formed. So no rearrangements. Mind it. No carbocation rearrangements. Arrangements. Very important. There is no carbocation rearrangements in this mechanism. Right? So next. So some more examples for this. OS mean acetate ion with water, sodium borohydride, reducing agent they can use. Then what is the use of this total reagent? Addition of water. Simply addition of water, Markovnikov rule, according to Markovnikov rule. That means OH will be attacked at the middle. Middle carbon mean the carbon which is does not having hydrogens. Pi bonded carbon does not having hydrogens or less number of hydrogens. So here ఒక H ఉంటుంది, here CH3, CH3, here CH3. So this is sterically crowded. At that position OH attack and H plus will be attacked here. So the product is OH, CH3, CH3, CH3. This is the Markovnikov product. Okay. So these are the example. Next to dilute H2SO4. Dilute H2SO4 mean you can take that same reagent if you use. Same reagent if you use. Okay. For example, if I take like this to this is the CH2, CH3, CH3, CH. To this dilute H2SO4. Dilute H2SO4 if you use. First H plus will be attack here. From this H plus attack here. CH2H. Now here positive charge will come. Okay. This positive charge is a 2 degree carbocation. So here hydrogen is present. This positive is migrate here and hydrogen is migrate here. That is called rearrangement. Carbocation rearrangement. Rearrangement. So now we will get to positive charges here. This is what 3 degree carbocation. Now after this from water OH minus. From water OH minus attack here. Okay. Here OH. So if you use dilute H2SO4, the rearrangements are possible. Rearrangements are possible. Okay. So rearrangements are possible. In oxymercuration, demercuration, no rearrangements, no carbocation. And then also in the hydroboration also no rearrangements because there also no carbocation. Whenever carbocation intermediate is formed, always rearrangements are possible. Okay na? So these are the products, right? Next so in this particular example, if you see, this is the alkene. So B2H6 hydroboration oxidation. So this total reagent to water addition according to anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule mean the OH will be attacked always ending. OH will be attacked ending here. Okay na? And also if you take mercuration, demercuration, this is also water addition only, but Markovnikov addition. That means OH attack in the middle carbon. Okay na? So the product formation is in this case here. And dilute H2SO4 mean here also water addition according to Markovnikov rule, but here rearrangements are possible. Rearrangements mean first to H plus attack here. Here positive charge will be appear. This positive charge is secondary carbocation. Now positive migrate here. That is called rearrangement. Secondary carbocation to tertiary carbocation. So here positive charge appear. Then OH will be attack here in the case of this. So in this case, rearrangement of carbocation occur and water addition according to Markovnikov rule. In both two cases, rearrangements are not present. Here anti-Markovnikov water addition, here Markovnikov water addition. So in this case, the product is here. Okay, these are the different products formation.